Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install PowerBuy. Now, just type in on your browser, download PowerBuy, okay, on any search engine, then open the Microsoft link. And then here, what I want you to do is scroll down. Now, it depends on where you're going to be using this. If it's mobile, come here and get it from the App Store or Google Play. If you're doing the desktop version, you can come here and download this from the Microsoft Store, or you can click on Advanced Download Options. Okay, so this one, if you click on Open Microsoft Store, it open up your Microsoft Store. And this one right here, we can do a direct download. Just scroll down here. As you can see, this is the setup. Just click on download. Make sure you have chosen your correct language. Choose which one you want to download. I'll download this one. Okay, click here on download because mine is a 64-bit system. So I'll click on download. There we go. And the download process will begin. As you can see, it is currently downloading, so we'll wait for that to finish. Once it is done, open up the exe file for the setup. So first it'll ask you to select a language. For me, I'll go ahead and pick English. Click here on next. Okay, and you need to go ahead and allow permissions for this device. Go ahead and click on yes when you get that pop-up. Okay. As you can see, it is preparing to install. Now here, go ahead and click on next. Make sure you agree to the terms. Okay, if you want, you can read all of this, but just go ahead and click on next once you've toggled this check mark. And then we need to choose our install directly. I'll just leave it here in program files. Okay, this is the default one. There we go. Click on next. And now it's ready to begin the installation. So we have toggle this on to create a desktop shortcut. You can just click here on install, and the process will actually begin. As you can see, it's almost done installing. Okay, as you can see, it has been fully installed. All in all, took about 20 to 30 minutes. And here we have the app, desktop shortcut. Okay, and now we can launch this. Just go ahead and click on finish. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple.